Alright students, welcome to our virtual mineral lab. The first thing you'll want to do in our lab is come down here and click video, which will give you an introduction to the lab. Note that there is also another information panel right over here, which gives you a lot of information and instructions on how to do things. Okay? So the first thing you'll want to do is you're going to choose a mineral. It can be any mineral down here, and you're going to drag it up to the test plate. Okay, there's going to be that weird error message. I've got no idea why, but it does. Then you're going to choose one of these tools over here with which to examine the mineral. On your lab sheet, magnifying glass comes first, so let's use that. Okay, there is our magnifying glass, so we can get a closer look at our mineral. Now this is kind of weird. This is the only tool that you drag the tool to the mineral. And then it shows you a micro close-up look at our mineral. So first off, color of mineral. Upon our close-up inspection, I would say that that looks yellow. Fair enough. Then luster. While we went over a ton of different types of lusters in our class, they are mainly looking here for metallic or non-metallic. And as that does not look like a gold bar to me, or some shiny aluminum, I would say that it has a non-metallic luster. Okay. Then next up on our mineral properties is cleavage or fracture. Remember, cleavage is breaking on a clean, flat, smooth surface, where fracture is shattering into a billion pieces. And, well, that's not a clean, even side to me, so I would say that it is fracture, so I'd check the fracture box. Okay, and that's it for the magnifying glass tool. So let's click on another tool. Let's do streak next. For this one, we're going to take our mineral and we're going to drag it to the tool. And it will show us an image of what the streak plate looks like. Remember, streak is the powdered color of the mineral. And if you look here, there's the streak. So there is a streak, and I would say that that is a yellow streak. So I'd write yellow under my streak category. Note that some minerals are just too hard. They don't have a streak. And in that case, well, you write none, because there is no streak. Then we've got hardness tests. And we have two hardness tools. We have the fingernail tool and the glass tool. Remember, fingernails have a hardness of 2.5. So let's take a look and see if our fingernail will scratch it. And you see up here, there is definitely a line on the mineral. That implies that your fingernail can scratch that mineral, meaning that it is softer than the fingernail, which is 2.5. So on your lab, you would check the yes, softer than 2.5. Now, because we know that higher numbers will scratch anything below that, we know that the glass tool, which is 5.5, will scratch the mineral because the fingernail, which was 2.5, scratched it. But let's try it just in case. So mineral to glass. Yep, there's that line. It got scratched. Therefore, you check the yes, softer than 5.5 box on your mineral lab. And the last question is, did the glass scratch the mineral but not the fingernail? The answer is no, because that was not the case. They both scratched it. Okay, so that has a bunch of information about our mineral. Then we come over here to the properties of minerals table. Okay, these are the minerals that it could possibly be. So you click on the mineral, you look at the information, and then try to determine, based off the stuff that you found, which mineral it would be. So, remember, Luster, metallic. Well, nope, we don't have a metallic luster here, so that's not it. Non-metallic, yes, we have non-metallic. But there's cleavage, so it's obviously not mica. Pyrite, again, metallic, which is no good. Quartz is non-metallic, yes. It has fracture, yes. But it's colorless, therefore it can't be quartz. Sulfur, let's see. Non-metallic, which matches. Cleavage, it has a fracture, which also matches. Color is yellow, which matches. Streak color is also yellow, which matches. And hardness is softer than a fingernail, or 2.5 on the Mohs scale. It all matches. Therefore, I think our unknown mineral is sulfur. Let's see. To check our unknown mineral, basically you take the drop box here, you put it on the mineral name that you think it is, and then you hit check.
Congratulations! You have correctly identified the selected mineral sample.
Okay, so we got it right. We write the name, sample A, name is sulfur. Okay, if we were to get it wrong, it would do something like this.
The name you have chosen is not the name of the selected mineral sample. Check your table information and the reference cards, then try again.
Okay, but we did get it right. Now, here is the one restriction on this lab. This is sulfur. It's very distinctive. Do not use it for one of your 3 minerals, because I just went over it for you, and that would be cheating. Okay? Remember, once you're done with all 3 samples, please make sure to answer the lab questions in full sentences. Remember, every time you use incomplete sentences, an English teacher cries. Okay? Okay, so have fun doing the lab. Good luck.